Welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I'd like to talk to you about squash. Now, it's real easy to make these. All you do is you cut the squash, you put some olive oil and salt and pepper on it, you put it on a baking sheet with the parchment paper, and there's really nothing to this. I preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and then I just put it in for about 20 minutes. So the hard thing is to cut these. These little rascals are tough. So just be careful, cut in the middle, nice and slow, like I'm doing there. See, straight down, and then pull down. Same slot. Use a big knife. Make sure it's a sharp one. There you go. Looks like it has a bean sprout in it. Smells good. How about that, huh? Well, here we go. Baking sheet. Olive oil. Thank you to my sister, who sends me my olive oil as I stall while I take the plastic off. And I was saying to myself last night as I put it here, I should open this so that I don't have to struggle with it during the show. Actually, I got lucky though, because it came off easy. Sometimes when you try to do this while you're doing a show, things don't go too easy. So here we go. I'm going to put it over here, over the baking sheet, just like this. Sprinkle some oil on it. And then here is pepper. And here is salt. Just like this, all you gotta do is throw it in the oven. The next step is to take the squash out of the oven. Let's see how it looks. And I think I'll take my cutting board off the counter and make room. Here is the squash. Now, I need to turn this over. These are going to be a little bit heavy. Just like this. If I can get under this one here. Here, let's try this silicone thing. There we go. Next thing I need to do is to get these seeds out of here. So if you just go through this and just hold on to it, you can spoon the seeds out of here with either a large spoon or a fork. Once you get them out, what you want to do is take your fork and just scrape in here, and it literally makes pasta, spaghetti. And I'm rushing. I would kind of normally get rid of maybe some more of the seeds in advance. But just to show you how this makes a spaghetti squash, literally put that on the plate with some spaghetti sauce or just some butter and maybe some cheese if you want some Parmesan cheese on top of that. This is delicious. I'm going to serve this up as a side dish to our meal. Here we go. Side dish to go along with our meal. Let's not take the seeds with us. There's plenty here. I mean, these two halves would feed a whole family here. Especially since I'm using it for a side dish. And I think I'm just going to put butter on this. I don't think I'm going to do spaghetti sauce today. But you could. Okay, you get the idea. That's my show. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.